For this assignment, you'll only need to update one file, campsiteinfocomponent.js. You'll be adding a form where users can submit their own comments. It will be located inside a modal. You will have 3 separate tasks. For task 1, you will add a new class component named CommentForm. For now, all this component needs to do is render a button using the React button component with the text Submit Comment on it. Then you need to update the campsite info component so that it renders the comment form component. At the end of this task, you should be able to see that Submit Comment button when you're viewing a campsite's information, but this button will not do anything just yet. For task 2, you'll need to update the code so that clicking on the button will bring up a modal with the contact form. You will be using the modal component from React along with the local form component from React Redux Form. This form should include 3 fields: rating from 1 to 5, author, and the comment text. The modal should have a submit button, and when you click it, it should bring up an alert that echoes back the submitted inputs. For task 3, you will add validation for the author field only. You will validate it for a minimum length of 2 or more characters and a maximum length of 15 or less characters. An error message should display if the input is invalid. Here you see the error for the minimum length, and then you should see the error for the maximum length as well. And you should not be able to submit it until you've cleared the error. And you should still get that alert with the input fields echoed back to you when you do submit it. For this assignment, you're not being given explicit instructions on every step to take to get to the desired goal. You'll have to fill in the blanks based on what you've learned, more so than you've done before. Remember to work together with your workshop partners, and don't forget the 10-minute rule.